This is going to be ice riders. This is going to be an intersection and braking issue. An intersection and braking issue. Guys, what is it? What do we do in intersections? Come on. We got to go into orange stage. Let's take a look at this one. So we're coming up to here. There's that side of the vehicle. Brake, brake, brake. Oh, a little bit of a skid. A little bit of a skid. Not too much of a braking problem. He saw it. He saw it. Okay, that was good. That was real good. That was real good. So remember, guys, every time you approach an intersection, be absolutely sure you are covering the brakes and looking for the sides of the vehicles. That's one of the biggest thing here. If they start to peek out, apply the brakes and do it progressively, but still keep looking for those escape paths. So watch it one more time. So there's that side of the vehicle, that van right there. We're starting to recognize it. He looks like he wants to turn left. You see the indicator? So he was already slowing down. I think that might be a one-way. Maybe not. Doesn't look like a one-way, but he applied the brakes. He's already going to slow down. So thankfully he did. Thankfully he did. He's going to go around and get away from it. Good job, man. Good job, Ice Riders. So right here we have Moto DevOps. We're going to have a brown stage. And what can we typically do in a brown stage? We can target fixate. We could just run right straight into something. We can panic brake. We can swerve into a tree instead of swerving into an escape path. What do you think this person did? Here we go. We're going around a corner. Okay, okay, okay. And... oh. Uh-oh. What was that called? He's doing a good job lifting the bike, though. That's the proper form. We target fixated Moto DevOps. He actually minimized the crash, but why did we crash in the first place? Maybe we should have been... I don't know, slowing down before the turn, you know, communicating, looking through the turn, everything. So we're coming up to here. We're doing fine, and all of a sudden we just went off the road. Started to panic a little bit. And we dump the bike. No buenos. So everybody, we do talk about this in Unit 1. Okay, the basic training e-course. Okay, we talk about target fixation. We talk about the color codes. We talk about everything that you're going to want to know to become a better, smarter, more confident motorcycle rider. It's only $4.99 for your first month. And you get to download a bunch of stuff. You get all the syllabus for the live streams. You get to watch the live streams, watch videos early. There's just way too much to really share. But right now we got Strider 790, car not paying attention on the roundabout, nearly sideswiped him. This is gonna be a planning situation, a planned method situation. Let's see what happens. All right, we're in that lane. Ooh, crossing over. He slowed it down in the middle of a turn. Very good, very good. He wasn't hauling ass. He didn't get pissed. Good job. I'm going to call this person a smart rider. So he was seeking and recognizing. We maintained fundamental skills, was able to get ourselves out of that. Looks like he might have full gear. Didn't have to rescue anybody. So we are going to go into an intersection. This is going to be a roundabout, but it is an intersection, okay? So we are going to be in orange stage. We're going to be in orange stage. All right, so we got into here. He saw that the person was crossing over. He crossed over the line. We just started applying some progressive brake pressure, rolling up the throttle. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Handled it. Let him in. He did I think he watches the channel.